two worlds, one moment. And everything you know ends at the point where they touch.
I've stood at the edge of a lot of endings, but nothing prepares you for two planets meeting.
They don't crash. Gravity pulls them in slow, stretching each world thin before they ever touch. Mountains fold like paper. Oceans flash to vapor. The crust simply gives way.
For a second, the light is so bright, it feels like the sky itself is opening.
This is the part no one sees. The inside of two planets spilled open and drifting into the dark. And then the two hearts find each other and become one. What's left isn't two worlds, and it isn't yours. It's something new, still burning.
So could it happen to us?
Up next on JD-OmniTale. This time,
5 kilometers of atmosphere, 14 pounds of it pressing on every inch of you, every second of your life. Take it away, and the world you know has about 90 seconds left.